Hey guys, today we would like to introduce our latest Profile Runners product. After several years of customers asking for runners that steer better, steer easy, and are less expensive, we decided to develop a new product that combines our exclusive Profile Runner tunable fin plate paired with OEM factory runners that come on the machines. Factory runners are the easiest to steer and are the least expensive. After many testing miles, we are ready to release our Pro Plates for Skidoo and Polaris skis. Introducing Pro Plates with round bar factory carbide runners. This combination maintains easy steering of the factory runners on hardpack and improved cornering in loose snow because the runner is about 1/4 inch deeper into the snow with Pro Plates. Another major benefit is the Pro Plates protect the skis from wearing out when the conditions are bad and the skis are riding in the dirt. This plate has about 1,000 miles and it completely protects the center of the ski. This combination allows riders to buy the least expensive runners on the market and still have similar performance to expensive aftermarket high-performance runners. Pro Plates are designed to fit OEM Skidoo or Polaris runners with 5/16 or 8mm studs. When installing Pro Plates, be sure the studs are long enough to come through the nylock nuts after they are tightened. Removing the washers and using blue Loctite on used nuts is a good idea. We have not tested any aftermarket runners with the Pro Plates, but I will caution you that they will be very aggressive steering and we don't recommend them. Skidoo Pro Plates fit pilot and deep snow skis from 2005 to 2026 with the angle studs. Polaris Pro Plates fit pro steer and gripper skis from 2012 to 2026. Thanks for your interest. Happy snowmobiling.